chairman of the prayer occasion, loving and caring parents, all special during these days. My name is Kumati from the graduation set of 2015. I stand before you to pass the message of gratitude. When you wake up in the morning, do not expect to see the evening light, as though today is all that you have. Yesterday has passed with its good and evil, while tomorrow has not yet arrived. You should not be caught with an obsession over the past with all its anxiety, and the hopes of the future with all its uncertainty. Organize the hours of your day so that you can make years out of meaning and months out of seconds. You have at your disposal 2 eyes, a tongue, 2 hands, 2 legs, nourishment, safety, clothing, air, and water. These point all to the world with yours, yet you do not realize it. You possess all that life has to offer. You ignore it. Can you picture yourself walking without reach? Would you take it lightly that you slumber soundly while misery hinders the sleeps of many? Should you forget that you fill yourself with both delicious species and cool water, while the pleasure of good food and drink is impossible for some due to sickness and diseases? Consider those faculties of caring and reasoning with which you have been endowed. Look at your healthy skin and be grateful that you have been saved from diseases that attack it. Reflect on your power of reasoning and remember those that suffer from mental ailments. Look around you to the right and to the left. Do you not see the sad and the unfortunate? In every house there is mourning, and upon every chink runs tears. How many people and how many tribulations persevere with patience? How many have not seen the light of the sun due to their imprisonment, having knowledge of nothing but the four corners of their cells? How many men and women lost their dear children in the prime of youth? How many are troubled and tormented? Find consolation with those that are worse off than you, and be thankful that things could have been worse. So always be grateful and remember that you only have one life. Thank you.